How to recover Facebook page ownership. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Facebook page ownership if you've lost access to your page. Whether you've lost your admin role, forgotten your login info, or encounter other issue, I've got you covered step by step. First things first, open your Facebook account and make sure you're logged into your account. After you've done that, simply find the page where you used to be admin. Now simply tap on the three dots at the top and click on simply report group. Once you've done that, you need to tap on fraud or scam or false identity or simply pretending to be someone else. After you've done that, simply submit the report to them. Now after you've submitted the report, the Facebook will know that this account was or used to be yours or someone else's and they are pretending to be someone else, which is a straightforward way to simply get back your account. Next, what we can do is simply go to Facebook Help Center by simply tapping on FB Help Center, and after you've done that, simply scroll down and tap on Pages. After you've done that, find an article which is related to hack. If you cannot find it over here, you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for hack. And from here, read all the articles that are related to it, and if you can find the answer to yours, it will be easier. And that's it. These are some of the most efficient ways to simply get the ownership back of your Facebook page.